Hi friends, my story for today is called Bring on the Birds. It was written and illustrated by Susan Stockdale. How would you like a beak like that? Oh, there is a hummingbird. Swooping birds, an owl. And whooping birds, a whooping crane. Birds with puffy chests. He is very puffy. Or she. Dancing birds and diving birds. Birds with fluffy crests. That's a very fancy type of pigeon. Hanging birds. Look how he hangs upside down. And hiding birds. They're almost camouflaged. Look at that. Birds with jagged bills. Looks like it would be good for cutting something. Hummingbirds and drumming birds. He makes a drumming sound with its feet. And birds with bills that drill. This is a woodpecker, and it drills holes into trees to find bugs to eat. Swimming birds, skimming birds, birds with tails held high. Do you know what this one is? It's a peacock. Look at those feathers. Racing birds. That's a roadrunner. Riding birds. Those birds are taking a ride on a giraffe. And birds that never fly. That's right, ostriches do not fly, which is probably a good thing since they are very large. Dull or dazzling colors, long or little legs. Look at the difference, long and short. All of them have feathers, and all are hatched from eggs. So even though they may look very different, they all have those things in common, feathers, and they lay eggs. What I like about this book especially is at the end, it tells you a little bit about each bird, the name, and some facts about the bird. For example, the very first one says, a nocturnal bird of prey, the great horned owl silently swoops down to grab mice and other small animals with its powerful talons. And it also tells us where they live. I got this book from the public library. Bring on the Birds by Susan Stockdale. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon.